Hey guys, Beardicus the One Take Wonder here, and it's just another quick video that I want to show you that the Epic Games Store have just released two new games. That is Alan Wake's American Nightmare. Now, Alan Wake is one of my favorite games, so I thought, hey, I've got to tell you guys. And the second one is Observer. So if you're looking for two freebies and you've got an Epic Games Store account, then make sure you jump over there now and sign up because, yeah, you'll get those two games free. So I was releasing these videos on the TechWizTime channel, but in order to sort of keep it more, what's the word for it? Just flowing and so forth, I wanted to release them over here on the Beardicus channel. So if this is your thing and you really enjoy, getting free stuff, then definitely subscribe to this channel over here. Otherwise, if you're more keen on the tech videos and tutorials and gaming videos and so forth, then subscribe over on the TechWizTime channel as well. So yeah, if you can subscribe on both, that'd be great. Anyway, yeah, this is just to show you that there's two freebies at the moment. That's Alan Wake's American Nightmare and Observer. So yeah, share this on social media so others can get the games for free too. Awesome. Hope you enjoy, guys. See ya.